Understanding closing cost. Closing costs refer to the various fees and expenses associated with the purchase of a property, typically a home or real estate. These costs are in addition to the property's purchase price and are typically paid at the closing or settlement of the real estate transaction. Closing costs can vary widely depending on factors such as location, the type of property, and the terms of the mortgage. Here are some common components of closing costs. Lender fees. These include charges from the mortgage lender, such as loan origination fees, application fees, and discount points. Prepaid interest to lower your loan's interest rate. Title and escrow fees. These cover the cost of a title search to verify the property's ownership and the establishment of an escrow account to hold funds until the transaction is complete. Appraisal fee. This fee covers the cost of a professional appraiser evaluating the property's value to ensure it matches or exceeds the loan amount. Home inspection fees. If you choose to have a home inspection, this fee covers the cost of a professional inspection of the property's condition. Attorney fees. In some areas, an attorney may be involved in the closing process to ensure all legal aspects of the transaction are properly handled. Recording fees. These fees are paid to the local government for recording the deed and other real estate documents. Property taxes and insurance. You might need to prepay property taxes and homeowner's insurance for a certain period. Survey fees. If a property survey is required, this fee covers the cost of a professional surveyor measuring and mapping the property. Homeowners Association (HOA) fees. If the property is part of an HOA, you might need to pay dues or fees at closing. Transfer taxes. Some states or local governments impose taxes on the transfer of property ownership. Prepaid interest. You may need to prepay the interest on the mortgage from the closing date to the end of the month. It's important to note that closing costs can be significant, often ranging from 2% to 5% of the home's purchase price. However, these costs can sometimes be negotiated between the buyer and seller, and there are scenarios where the seller might agree to cover a portion of the closing costs. When buying a property, it's crucial to carefully review and understand the estimated closing costs provided by your lender and other relevant parties involved in the transaction. Make sure to budget for these costs in addition to your down payment and other related expenses.